enormous truck that has fifth wheel hitch, bed liner, heated cooled seat, sunroof, and tons more, then you're going to love this 2016 Ram 3500. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior color. Got tons of chrome throughout your grille and your front bumper, which has 2 tow hooks in it, and a front sensing system which will alert you to any objects in front of your vehicle so you don't get too close or hit anything. You've also got your halogen headlamps with fog lamps below. This has a 6.7 liter inline-6 Cummins turbo diesel engine, so lots of power. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch wheels. They look really nice. And then you have your Cummins turbo diesel and your Ram 3500 heavy duty badging on the side. And this could fall under our certification, and if it does, it would be our 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain, 3-month, 3,000-mile max care coverage, and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at Woodys. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information on that. Your side mirrors are chrome capped with those indicator lights on the corners, and they are powered and heated with towing mirrors on the sides so you can see around your vehicle easier, see into your blind spots. And then you also have keyless entry. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black leather heated and ventilated seats. You have that Laramie stamped right in the middle, perforated insert. Both sides are power adjustable as well, but overall super comfortable seats. Then looking over at your leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, cruise controls right there with your media controls on the back. And then you have an 8.4-inch touchscreen media center brought to you by Uconnect. So here you have your radio options. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio. You also have your media controls there, then your controls for your heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel. Also your backup camera so you can see behind your vehicle, and your cargo camera so you can see into the bed of your truck. Just keep track of everything. Then you have tons of apps with Uconnect here, so different things you can utilize, travel link, all of that. Then you have your climate controls here. They are dual, so you can have different settings on each side. And then you have your phone settings here, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, make and receive phone calls there. Then down below that you have all of your radio and climate controls in button form. You also have buttons for your sensing system, exhaust brake, tow haul mode, traction control, and then your heated cooled buttons there. Trailer brake, and then your 4-wheel drive on that side, 115 volt on the other. Lots of stuff throughout your center area here. 2 cup holders, you have a 12 volt right there. And then looking into your center console, you have a media hub with an SD card, 2 USB ports, and an aux port. But there's more room down below to keep all of your stuff down there. Lots of space. And then looking up, you have 911 assist, which is subscribable, universal garage door openers, and power sliding rear window and sunroof, so give that some nice airflow throughout the truck. And this has an Alpine sound system for amazing amplified sound with a subwoofer. Alright, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have a cup holder armrest that can fold down, 2 cup holders, and then there are 2 cup holders on the floor as well. This is a split bench seat, so on this side you have your subwoofer with your Alpine sound system, and then on this side you have just some storage space, and you can also fold this out so you can have a flat surface right there. And then you have these 2 storage compartments on the floor, so you can have some additional storage room. Keep these nice and clean, take them out, put them back in, just really convenient. These seats are also heated. You have your 2 heated buttons back there with another 12 volt. Make your way around the side. This is a long bed and it's a dually, so you have that extra support in the back for your 5th wheel hitch. You've also got your rear sensing system right there, Laramie badging 4x4 in chrome, and then you have your tow package with your hookups right there. And then looking into this bed, again, it is a long bed, lots of space, and then you've got that 5th wheel hitch right in the middle, 4 tie-down hooks on the sides. And overall, this is just an amazing truck. Lots of power. You have all of your stuff back here in the bed, but also in that interior with your heated cooled seats, a sunroof, and that media center. So if you want to see this Ram 3500 or any of our other trucks, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And it
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right there. What do you think differentiates WOODYS from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on my lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.